Hi, welcome to another EPC Teardown. Today I got a Lenovo Thinkpad L14 Gen 4. It's a business laptop from 2023. It's pretty simple to tear down. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now let's get into it. To start off, we got 10 capture screws on the back. After those screws have been unscrewed, now it's time to pull off the back of it. What we're going to try and do is be really careful, don't crack the plastic. It pops off just like that. Now we're going to try to take off the battery. We got 4 screws right there holding them together. Just take those off. After the screws are taken off, try and pull on the cable. Be very careful. Be very firm because it is a little stuck in there tight. Just like that. After all that's done, you're able to lift it up, set it up aside. So next, it's going to be the LCD. So you just got the LCD port right there. Some of that tape. Just going to slightly lift it up. Be careful, try not to rip off the little paper. But overall should be pretty easy. Take off the little prong. It should slide right out. Alright, next for the LCD is the Wi-Fi card. And make sure you pry off these connectors very carefully. After that, just set them up to the side. Now you can take off the screws. There's 3 on each side. Just take those off. After all that is done, able to lift the laptop. A little tape stuck over there. Just like that, lid is free from the case. We'll set that aside as well. And now we got the rest of the motherboard to work with. After the LCD's been taken apart, we're going to take off the SSD. Take this tape off the SSD, exposing the copper. There's 2 screws, one's hiding. After that, you're able to wiggle the bracket. Take off your SSD. So let's set that all to a side. Now we're going to take off the daughter board. Pretty easy. Got 1 bracket, 2 screws. Take your little bracket, set it to the side. So just pick one side from the daughter board. Usually I like to have the cable on the daughter board. Just lift that prong up. Tab. It should just slip out. Set your daughter board to the side. Now we're going to take off the fan and heatsink. First, going to take off these 4 screws right here. Slowly lifting up the heatsink. Now onto the fan. There's 2 screws, you see clearly. There's one hidden behind the heatsink. I'm going to pull down on the port on the motherboard, unplug that, be able to lift it up. Just to note, there's 3 screws holding in the I/O shield, total of 6 screws that are holding down the motherboard. So after that, we're going to flip the rest of the unit on its side, facing up, and try and take off the keyboard. So at this point, everything's off the laptop. Keyboard should be easy. Just got to drag it up a little bit. Just a little prying tool. And just pry it up. After that, it should just come right off. Next, we got 2 ribbon cables. Just take those out. After the keyboard, we're going to take care of the rest of the ribbon cables, CMOS battery, and speakers. Just going to do that. And after all that, the motherboard's able to lift up out of its casing. And that's how you tear down a Lenovo Thinkpad L14 Gen 4.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.